Hello students. So today I will start new chapter, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So first I will introduce about haloalkanes and haloarenes. So the formula used for haloalkane is Rx and the formula for haloarene is ARX. So here AR stands for aromatic compound. Haloarenes are aromatic compounds and haloalkanes are aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic means open chain compound and these are closed chain compounds. So in case of haloalkane, this R is an alkyl part. This is known as alkyl group and this AR stands for aryl group. AR pi L, aryl group. So alkyl group, how alkyl group is formed? So alkyl group is formed by the elimination, or we can say by the removal of one hydrogen from alkane. So the first member of alkane is CH4. If we remove one hydrogen from CH4, it becomes CH3. So the formula changes to CH3. The name of this alkane is methane. METHANE. ANE is the suffix used for this. This AN is replaced by adding YL suffix. So the name of this group is known as METHYL, methyl. So methyl group is formed. Similarly, other members are also formed: methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, like that. And in this case, how aryl groups are formed? Aryl groups are formed by the basis of aromatic compound is benzene, C6H6. If one hydrogen is replaced from this, then it becomes C6H5. So in this way, in aromatic compound only a single possibility is there, that is C6H5. C6H5 group is formed. This is known as, commonly it is known as phenyl group. Phenyl group is formed and here alkyl groups are formed. So alkyl groups are formed in different ways, methyl, and we can say second member is formed in this is C2H6 when one hydrogen is replaced from ethane. So when one hydrogen is replaced from ethane, then it becomes C2H5. So this is known as ethyl. So other members are also formed in this way: methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, like that. So now I will tell you about the IUPAC name of these two compounds. So here the bond line notations, these are bond line representation of compounds. So first we have to identify exactly the compound, the formula of the compound. So it is very simple, where these double bonds are present here, carbon and carbon. तो आपको सिर्फ यही ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पर को आपका कार्बन प्रेजेंट होता है जहाँ पर को आपका बॉन्ड लाइन नोटेशन है. इफ यू एक्सटेंड दिस फॉर्मूला, so here it is CH3, then single bond, then C is present there, then it is CH because it is attached with hydrogen, then double bond, it is the representation of double bond, here double bond, then C here because it is C carbon atom, then one methyl group is attached with this CH3, then the chain is extended here, then it is CH and here it is Br and finally it is CH3. So the overall chain contains 5 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll start numbering from left hand side because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because double bond gets preference. If we start naming from right hand side, then Br is placed on second position, but halogen and out of these two, halogen and double bond gets preference. So double bond के basis से naming अगर करेंगे तो आपका जो numbering है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the exact way of numbering. Now if we write the IUPAC name of this particular compound, then Br, this substituent is placed on 4th position. That's why the name is 4-bromo. That is 4-bromo. Then the skeleton is of 5 carbon atom and one substituent is attached on 3rd position, that is 4-bromo, 3-methyl, and pent is the prefix used for this, pent, because 5 carbon atom is there, and double bond is placed on 2nd position, pen to ene. So this is the exact IUPAC name of this compound, first compound. And if we talk about second compound, this is again very simple, and it is almost similar. One carbon atom, 1 2 3 4, only 4 carbon atom is there. First is CS3, then here it is CH, because it is H is attached with this, then double bond is present, then again it is CH, then further it is CH2Br, because it is carbon atom CH2Br. Here it is CH double bond CH. So if we write the name of this compound, here double bond and halogen both are present, but this time halogen gets the preference because halogen is present on the very first position. So we'll start numbering from right hand side, 1 2 3 4. So if halogen gets preference, then the name of this compound is 1-bromo. Here 1-bromo and but2-ene. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound.